At the 2024 Beijing Auto Show, the new Range Rover Evoque L was officially launched. The guide price is between 392,800 yuan and 475,800 yuan. The main change to the new car is the replacement of the dual 10.2-inch central control screen with an 11.4-inch central control screen, and a number of configuration upgrades have been made. In terms of appearance, the new car adopts the latest family-style design style. The front grille is being replaced with a larger built-in shape, and the headlights will be equipped with the latest matrix pixel LED light source along with the new subframe. Its shape and general appearance are quite attractive. It has the styling of a smaller Range Rover Sport. The wheels feature a 20-inch 10-spoke aluminum alloy blacked-out design, and Ningguang Limited Edition adds glossy dark gray contrast rims. The new car has a very strong waistline on the body side, reminiscent of hidden door handles. It will also adopt a two-tone body design and create a suspended ceiling effect. At the rear of the car, the shape of the new car's taillights mirrors the headlights. A hidden exhaust design is adopted at the lower perimeter, and the imitation exhaust decoration and diffuser design strengthen the sporty feeling. In terms of interior, the new car still maintains the unique British-style luxury with the new subtle cloud color interior theme and the new diamond plaid pattern and perforated style. In terms of details, the new car inherits the leather gear lever design of the Range Rover model and can be equipped with an optional dual-tone steering wheel, and the additions are decorated with a metallic chrome finish. Configuration is the biggest change in this new model. All new cars come standard with front-row wireless cell phone charging, ACC adaptive cruise, Type-C fast charging interface, and other configurations. The existing Type-A interface was adjusted to the C interface, and the E+ entertainment interconnect system and carbon dioxide monitoring were added. Compared with the current luxury version, the Ningguang Limited Edition features upgraded front headrests, 15-speaker British Treasure, 360 degrees panoramic views, automatic parking, and an 11.4-inch floating central control screen. Compared with the current model, the plug-in hybrid version comes with wireless charging for front-row mobile phones, 11.4-inch floating central control display, ACC adaptive cruise control, 12-speaker British Treasure audio system, etc. offers features. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 2.0T plus 48V mild hybrid system and is paired with a 9-speed automatic manual transmission. The hybrid version is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T 3-cylinder engine plus electric motor, with a total system power of 227 kilowatts.